Hi guys, let's see how this platform works, how this course works. The first thing you see is your progress. That is to say, what percentage of the course you have completed so far. Then you see your average score. This is very useful because you know at all times how you are doing, whether you can move on to the next lesson or you'd rather go over some points and some sections. This course is made up of 12 units. And a mock exam halfway through the course, in the middle of the course. Alright, let's open a lesson and see what's inside. At the top you'll see a summary of what's covered in the lesson. In each unit you get a live class, where we will practice speaking and answer to all your questions and solve all your doubts. Every unit has video tutorials. Before entering the Cambridge exam papers, you need to acquire vocabulary, expressions and phrasal verbs. You have plenty of exercises throughout the course. In each section, you will work on new vocabulary, and the exercises you see in each section will revolve around this vocabulary and expressions. This is really useful and is based on the topics on the official Cambridge exam. Each unit covers phrasal verbs related to the topic. Now we jump right into the exam papers. First, reading and use of English, where you will get exercises just like the ones in the exam. Let's look at some examples. Here is a keyword transformation exercise. Here a word formation exercise. Then, listening. You have to answer the questions based on what you hear on the recording. In addition to the live classes where we will practice a speaking paper, there are also exercises throughout the course where you can practice the typical questions you'll get asked in the exam. And finally, writing. Here you will have to write an email, a letter, or an essay. We'll read it, review it, and get back to you with very useful feedback and tips on how to improve. In this course, you get lots of exercises, writing reviews, 24 live lessons to practice your speaking, interactive video tutorials covering the grammar of the exam, a private channel where we will solve all your doubts. All this at a cheaper price than just regular lessons. This course is taught by expert teachers with a combined total of 30 years, helping students get their official certificates. To enroll in this course, to register for the course, click on the B2First course tab on the top right of the screen. Click on Take this course, fill in your details on the form, and then place order. There you go! Congratulations, you are ready to start!